Game.
Pep.
Okay. Seryoso.
Ang baliw eh.
Ikaw muna, dadasan ka. Hindi ako makatawa ka na.
Balik sa rin ko rin, ikaw mo rito. Flip, yung Ayan na, nasukat ako.
Okay, next mayor.
Hey! Halika rito, makipag-gipitan, huri ka.
Pepper.
Andrew! Gibert, Andrew! Next pair.
Next pair na daw. Ang totalan nyo, ha?
Gibert, Andrew. Okay, you guys too. Come, hip, hooray.
Hep, hooray! Come on!
I say, like this,
Boring.
say, hip. Ay. Hip. Then if I go like this, you say hooray. But if I go like this, you can say hip. Come on. Stand up.
Baliw eh.
Come on. You only playing cards, you won't learn anything here. Here you have fun.
Okay.
Come on. You don't join, you separate. You like
Okay, try.
different team.
Sample.
No joking. That's not very polite. This is a game. We're ruling a game. It's time. Guy. One, two, three. Hep.
Paano nga? Hep muna.
Hep like this.
Hep ka muna.
If I go like this again, what do you say? I like this. Okay, hey, one more time. Ladies and gentlemen, Kiam Pirosa. Okay, one more time. Hep.
Parang ayaw niya na maglaro eh.
Dali kamay mo.
You wanna go one more time?
Magagalit na yan.
You do one more time? No? You're not feeling well? No. Andrew versus Jobert.
Ano nga na sport is this?
Excuse you, man. I slap you with a fucking thing, man.
Flip his nose.
This one's turn.
Pull the way around niya.
Daddy. Ay, turn, ha? Napaka-boring na. Which side? Dali na.
Close the door.
Pag susulat ka pa sa pinay ninyo o yung ano na lang.
Ano naman, words lang naman.
Hindi, sasabihin mo na lang sa